Welcome guys, today I am going to review in another option trading application named Pocket Option. You guys can see I have already installed this application. Today I am going to show you complete overview of this application. I am going to talk about whether this application is real or fake, whether you guys will be safe in this application, how can you deposit, how can you withdraw, what are the problems that users are facing in this application. Overall guys, new application, 10k downloads you guys can see, and 4-star rating is also here. But let me tell you guys, there are so many good reviews in this application, but don't be fooled by the reviews. Okay, let's open this application. I will tell you everything about this application, so watch this video till the end, otherwise you guys might fall into some problems. Okay, first let me go to the home page. Here you can see the deposit page, so I don't want this. Okay, I want to go to the home page. Okay, so here you guys can see up above your account center, and here you guys can say quick trading and demo trading. So I'm going to activate demo trading here, and I'm going to show you everything about this application from start to end. Okay, sorry. So you guys can see that application is loading guys. So many people are saying that application interface is good, it's smooth, but not on every device. Okay, for some people the application is way too hangy, way too buggy, and for some devices this application performs well. Here you can see there are so many assets. Here you guys can see there are currencies. You will get so many currency pairs. In currency pair, profit is highest, up to 92% profit. Here you will guys some get commodities. Okay, then you can trade in stocks, then you can trade in indices. So wherever you feel like you can choose. Now I'm going to currency because here profit is higher, so I'm going to select AUD CAT. Okay, so here you can trade using higher or lower option. You guys can easily put any option here. You can buy higher or lower option. You guys already know about this. Okay, how to trade, how to earn, you guys already know, so I don't want to say many things about it. Next guys, here you guys same signal. Okay, ready-made signal guys, you will get some ready-made signals here. You guys can see already they have provided every signal. If you want to execute, just you need to copy that signal. Once you copy, then you have to come to your dashboard, trading dashboard, and you guys will see that your trade is automatically placed. Plus you guys can see the trading potential. Here you guys can see in next 47 46 45 seconds you guys can say I can copy this signal. For next 2 minutes I can copy these signals. If I am trading for next 7 minutes I can copy this signal. So there are so many ready-made pre-built signals here that you guys can follow, and you guys can get some ideas whether the market will go upwards or downwards. Here you guys can see social trend, but first you guys have to deposit in your real account to access this page. Then you guys can see express trading is also here. You guys can put express trades here. It is very simple and very risky, so you guys first learn about this. Okay, then only trade in this section, otherwise your money will get lost. Okay, there are so many tournaments going around in this application. This is new application, but you guys can see day of tournament, our play tournament. You guys can see you can participate, you can join, you can earn money. Our last here you guys can see pending. If somehow your orders don't get executed, your deposit or withdrawals are pending, or if you want to do pending trades, then you guys can do here. Okay, so here you guys can set asset. So many assets are here. You can set open time, you can set the payout, and you can set the time frame. Okay, here you can get pending trades. There are so many time frames available. I usually do it in the M5, but you guys can do anything you want. So overall this is the application guys, this is the user interface of this application. Now many people ask, bro, whether this application is real or fake. So guys, see, this application is a new option trading application, plus this application is a private option trading application. So a private developer developed this application, and he completely owns and controls this application. So in the recent time, people are getting withdrawals, people are depositing money, everything is fine, but in the future there might be some issues. So guys, please be aware that you also have to do some research before depositing in this application, because I cannot guarantee the withdrawals. Okay, I can say that you can earn money, you can easily deposit, but I cannot guarantee the withdrawal. So this is the reality, guys. You might face some problems during your withdrawal times, but overall application is good, the user interface is good, the concept is good, the features they provide us like signals and pending trades, they are extraordinary. Okay, it is very good to have such assets, such tools within a application. But overall, guys, if I say it is completely real or fake, some people ask by one answer, I need one answer, real or fake, give me one answer, people says. So I would like to say, for beginners this is a very rich application. If you know well about trading, if you have experience in trading, then you can easily use this application and earn some good amount from this application, because it is new, and I don't think we'll get extra problems here. Overall application is good, but there is no withdrawal guarantee from my side. So that's all for today video, guys. Bye bye, guys. Love you, guys.